Hello everyone, welcome to Day to Day Human channel. Today we are going to be looking at the Panasonic inverter microwave oven, and this also has convection and grill. So this is the model NNCT54JW. So we will be unboxing it today, and also we will shortly review the product. I actually purchased this in the Amazon Prime Day sale in June 2021, and they shipped it in 2 weeks time. The shipping was very good. The box is not damaged. As you can see, there's no damage in the box. So let's look at the box. So this is how the box is. Okay, so if you see 100 to 200 degrees centigrade convection, grill 1300 watts, microwave is 1000 watts, there is auto program, there's child lock, and this is 27 liter slim model, and this is turnable. This is important because this is 340 mm, which is a good size. Quick 30, add time, and junior menu. As you can see here, this is an inverter model, so there is time saving with this microwave oven. As it is mentioned here, save time with dual cooking. So this is basically grill and microwave together, so that's why they call it inverter model. And there is a space saving. I will show you what this is once we open the box. I can show you how you can save the space. So let's look at the box. This is how the box is, and this is a white model. It has very good rating in Amazon. I will give you the product link in the description as well. But this is how the box came. So as you can see, very nicely packed and no damage to the box. It looks perfectly okay. So now let's go ahead and open the box. So once you open the box, this is what it is. This is the plate. Okay, this is actually 340 mm plate. That's the product. Okay, this is how the product looks after opening it from the box. The space saving is because of this. So you see this, usually it will be so big, but this is compact version, and that's the reason you see this piece is very compact, so it fits in very easily wherever you want to place it. You don't need a big space to. That's the power cord fused, and then there is also a small provision here where you can run your cables. So that's nice and compact. But other than that, this is how it looks in the back. Be clean. This is how it looks in the side. This is how it looks in this side. Okay, so that's the Panasonic one for you. Let's open this. Okay, there it is. The small strip. See, once you open, you see this here. Small strip. Probably can remove this. Okay. Let's see what's inside. Okay, this is the grill stand. You see that? This is how it looks on the inside. You have 29 presets, I guess. Yeah, 29 presets. And wood. You see it here on the side, and these are the menus: convection, grill, micro power, kiosk, defrost, junior menu, auto cook, auto roast, up down, at time, quick 30, stop, cancel, start. Okay, let's see what's this. And then you have the operating instructions and cookbook. Okay, and then you have this plate. So this is the enamel tray which can be used for cooking. And then you have this wheeler or roller, and then you have this roller ring. So let's put that inside. Okay, the roller ring is inside now, and then let's put the plate in. Okay, that's the plate is in. So that's how it looks, and some instructions which I want to show you. So the first is upload a copy of your receipt online and never have to worry about misplacing it. The second is quick access to product manuals and latest software updates. The third is choose to opt into Panasonic emails for getting offers. And this one, the fourth, register your product online so that you will be entered into a lucky draw and for a chance to win Lumix camera if you're interested. So that's other information is the instruction manual. This is not only the instruction manual, it also holds a bunch of recipes. So huge recipes, so you can make use of that. So few reasons why I bought this product is because the first thing is the space. This is 27 liters, which is a good size, and also this space here, which is 340 mm. So if you have bigger plates, or if you want to cook a whole chicken, so it'll be easier. So that's one thing. The second thing is an inverter model, which means power saving. As you can see here, this is an inverter model, which means it has power savings. And the third thing, it's a combination. So this is convection, grill, a microwave all together. So if you want to bake, or if you want to cook chicken, grill the chicken, grill the meat, you can use everything in this. So for example, usually we used to use the normal the big oven in the kitchen, but with this, if you're just cooking, let's say just few chicken, a small portion of chicken, you don't have to turn on the complete oven, right, which is big. Rather, you can use this and it will be faster, and it's energy saving as well.